I know you're not making many sales, whether you're selling digital products or working in any field selling anything online. And this is completely normal. Because if you ask me, what is the number one thing that drives sales or the best way to increase your online sales? I'll tell you, it's creating high quality images and videos for your product and posting them on social media the right way. And in this video, my entire goal is to help you understand the right way to create professional images and videos for your product and how to post them effectively on social media. And I promise you, if you watch this video until the end, you'll be able to increase your sales within just a few days. In this video, we're going to use an amazing website called Pixa.com. I've left the link in the pinned comment and description so you can get a special discount. First, when we go to the website and click on the first tab, which is Home, you'll see that this platform has a lot of powerful tools. Starting from tools for creating images and videos to advanced AI editing tools. And this basically replaces the need for complicated editing software like Photoshop or video editors. You also have a professional background remover here and a tool to enhance image quality with just one click. There's also an AI upscaling tool to enlarge images professionally and a feature called Batch. And honestly, this tool impressed me a lot. We're going to try it together in this video because it allows you to edit multiple images at the same time. Now, if we go to the Create section, you'll notice that the interface looks very similar to ChatGPT, which makes it super easy to use. For example, let's say I have a digital product, a math book, that I sell on Etsy, Amazon, or social media, and I want to create professional images and videos for this book to post online and increase my sales. So how do I do that? Focus with me. First, I'll click on Reference. Then I'll upload the book cover image right here. After that, all I have to do is describe the image I want. For example, I'll tell it, I want this book to be in the hands of a 4-year-old child in their room without changing the book cover itself. And down here, make sure you select Image and not Video, so it generates an image, not a video. Next, you'll find the AI model selection. You can choose which model you want to generate your image. There are many models available, almost all the popular ones on the market. For example, I'll choose the model Nano Banana Pro. And here, you can select the image quality. It supports 1K, 2K, and even 4K resolution. There's also a great feature called Thinking. If you keep it enabled, the platform will take a few extra seconds to think and give you the best possible result. And don't worry, it only takes a few seconds. After that, we choose the image dimensions. For example, I want a 4:3 ratio. And in the last option, you select how many images you want. It supports up to 8 images at once. I'll choose 4 so we can compare results and pick the best one. Then after that, I'll click on Send. And within just a few seconds, you'll see that it generated 4 images. All of them are professional versions of your book cover. And honestly, even better than I expected. All the images look amazing. And now I'm actually confused about which one to choose. For example, I'm going to pick this one. And if we click on the image, you'll find a lot of tools below it that allow you to edit this image professionally. For example, the background removal tool. If we click on it, you'll see that it removes the background very professionally in just 1 second. And you can easily add new backgrounds from the ones available on the platform, or even describe the background you want. And within seconds, it will generate it for you using AI. Honestly, I see that this website can completely replace Photoshop when it comes to AI image editing. It's that powerful. For example, there's also a tool called Retouch, which improves the image if there are any imperfections, and a tool called Expand. If the image is a bit small, it will enlarge it for you. There's also an image quality enhancement tool, and one of my favorite tools called Angles. This one allows you to view the scene from any angle you want. For example, if I want the book to appear from the top, all I have to do is drag the camera slightly upward, then click Generate again. And in just a second, it will recreate the same scene, but from a top view. I'm honestly impressed. With just one click, I can create highly professional images for my book. This is going to help me a lot in my business. Now, after creating the image that we'll post on social media, we also want to create a professional video for this book, so we can use it on social media and even run ads with it. So how do we do that? First, I'm going to download this image because I really like it. Then, all I have to do is switch from image mode to video mode, so it creates a video instead of an image. And here in Start Frame, I'll upload the image I just downloaded from the platform, then I'll describe the video I want. I told it that I want this image to be animated professionally, and the child says, "Buy this math book because I learned a lot from it." After that, we simply choose the AI model that will generate the video. And just like before, there are many professional models available. For example, I'll choose the model Kling V3 Pro. Then we select the video duration. I'll choose 10 seconds, and the platform supports up to 15 seconds, which is great. If you want the video to include sound, just enable the audio settings. I want it with sound. The quality here, I'll leave it at 1080. And down here, we choose the video dimensions. For example, I want it to be 1:1. Then I'll select how many videos I want. I'll keep it at 4, and finally, I'll click on Send. And let's watch the result together.
Buy this amazing math book. It helped me a lot.
And as you can see, the result is absolutely amazing from the very first try. There's not a single mistake, and this video looks extremely professional. I can definitely use this to create an ad and post it on social media, and I'm sure this will motivate both kids and parents to buy this book. There's also another great feature you'll find in the section below, which is video translation. You can translate your video with just one click into any language you want, and this can massively increase your sales across different countries around the world. I'm honestly really impressed. And there's also a tool called Character Swap. Using this tool, you can professionally edit either the voice in the video or even the character itself. Plus, there's an edit tool, which allows you to modify anything in the video. For example, if you notice any mistake in the video, just tell it what to fix, and it will adjust it for you. Meaning, you don't have to recreate the entire video from scratch, just edit the part you want. I really love this platform because it gives me full control to edit everything in the AI images and videos I create. And this is not just limited to digital products or books. Anything you sell online, you can create professional images and videos for it and boost your sales in a huge way. For example, let's say I'm selling a bracelet for kids, and this is the product image. How can we create professional images and videos for it? It's actually very easy, using the exact same method. First, I'll upload the bracelet image here. Then I'll ask it to generate a scene of a 4-year-old girl wearing this bracelet, and I'll describe the girl in detail. After that, I'll choose the AI model just like we did before. I'll keep the quality at 1K, then choose the dimensions, let's say 4:3, and select the number of images. I'll generate 4 images. And within a second, it will generate these beautiful images for you. As you can see, all the images from the first try look incredible. For example, I personally like this first image the most, so I'll simply download it to create a video from it. Next, I'll switch to video mode. then upload the image of the girl, and I'll describe exactly the kind of video I want. I want this girl to say, "Buy this bracelet because it looks amazing." Then, just like before, I'll choose the AI model I want to generate the video. Select the duration. I'll keep it at 10 seconds. I want the video to have sound. The quality will stay at 1080. Then I'll choose the video dimensions. And finally, I'll click on Send. And let's see the result together.
Buy this amazing bracelet. I love it so much. Buy this amazing bracelet. I love it so much.
As you can see, as always, the result is more than amazing from the very first try. And I'm 100% sure these videos can get thousands of views on social media because they're truly eye-catching and emotionally engaging. These are the kind of videos that instantly grab attention. Now, let's try a more challenging example. Let's say I have a wooden toothbrush and I want to sell it. How can I do that? And through this example, we'll also test the accuracy and quality of this platform. All I have to do is upload the toothbrush image here. Then I'll ask it to generate an image of a young man holding the toothbrush with detailed instructions. And just like before, I'll choose the AI model, set the dimensions, then click on Generate. And in just 1 second, it created these 4 amazing images without changing a single detail in the toothbrush itself. And this is something I really love. It keeps your product exactly as it is. Now, to create a video using the same method, we'll simply describe how we want the video to be. And here's something really powerful. There's a section called Speech, where you can add a professional voiceover to your video. So it's not just about creating videos using AI, you can also add voiceovers easily in the same place. And this clearly shows that this platform is all in one. You can create full videos, even long-form content, without needing to switch to another tool. There are also many other tools on this platform, which we'll quickly go through, and I'm sure we'll cover this website in more detail in future videos. For example, one of the most impressive tools I've seen, and it's quite unique, is the Batch tool. With this tool, you can upload up to 500 images at the same time and edit them all together. Let's try it. I'll upload these 2 images, and instantly, you'll notice that the platform automatically detects the background of both images. Now, if I change the background to black, you'll see it applied to both images at the same time. And that is just incredible. This means you can edit up to 500 images at once. And if you want to remove something or apply any change to all images, you just describe what you want here. And within a second, it will apply the changes to all images at once. This will save you a huge amount of time. After that, you can download all the images using the Download All button. There are still many tools in this platform, but to keep this video from getting too long, we'll cover more in future videos about this amazing website. And the best part? They're giving out free credits for a limited time, so you can test everything yourself. The link's waiting for you in the description. I'll see you in the next video, and I really hope you found this helpful today. Goodbye!